The unexpected path. What if your desires hold the key to spiritual awakening? What if I told you that your desires, often seen as obstacles on your spiritual journey, could actually be the very things that unlock profound awakening? We often perceive desires as solely material, a yearning for the latest gadget or a bigger house. But what lies beneath the surface? What if these desires are signposts, guiding us towards a deeper understanding of ourselves and the universe? Many spiritual traditions encourage us to renounce our desires, to detach ourselves from the allure of the material world. While there is wisdom in finding balance, completely suppressing our desires can be counterproductive. Our desires, in their rawest form, are expressions of our innate longing for fulfillment, for connection, for something more. Think about the last time you felt a strong desire. What was the underlying need it was trying to fulfill? Was it a desire for love, for recognition, for security? By delving deeper into the root of our desires, we embark on a journey of self-discovery, uncovering the hidden motivations and aspirations that shape our lives. This journey inward, guided by our desires, can lead us to a place of profound spiritual awakening. It's about understanding that our desires are not inherently good or bad. They are simply energy. And like all energy, it can be harnessed, transformed, and directed towards a higher purpose. Decoding your desires from material cravings to spiritual yearnings. To navigate the path of spiritual awakening through desire, we must first understand the different forms desires can take. We often categorize desires as purely material, the longing for possessions, wealth, or physical pleasures. While these desires are a natural part of the human experience, they often stem from a deeper place within us. Emotional desires, such as the yearning for love, belonging, and connection, highlight our innate need for relationships and intimacy. We all crave to be seen, heard, and understood, and these desires drive us to seek companionship and build meaningful connections. Intellectual desires, on the other hand, reflect our thirst for knowledge, understanding, and meaning. We are curious beings, driven by an insatiable desire to learn, explore, and expand our horizons. These desires can manifest in a passion for reading, a fascination with science or history, or a drive to unravel the mysteries of the universe. Finally, we have spiritual desires, the longings of our soul. These desires transcend the material realm and encompass yearnings for purpose, meaning, connection to something greater than ourselves, and a sense of inner peace and fulfillment. They are the whispers of our soul, guiding us towards our highest potential. Desires as stepping stones. Navigating the inner landscape for growth. Understanding the different types of desires is crucial because it allows us to use them as stepping stones on our spiritual journey. Instead of viewing desires as obstacles, we can begin to see them as opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Each desire, regardless of its nature, holds valuable information about who we are and what we truly seek in life. For instance, a strong desire for material possessions might indicate a deeper need for security and stability. By acknowledging this underlying need, we can begin to explore healthier and more fulfilling ways to meet it. Perhaps we can find security through meaningful relationships, a fulfilling career, or a strong connection to our values and purpose. Similarly, an intense desire for romantic love might stem from a longing for connection and belonging. By recognizing this, we can begin to cultivate these qualities in all areas of our lives, through friendships, family connections, and community involvement. The key is to approach our desires with curiosity and compassion, seeking to understand the deeper needs they're trying to fulfill. As we become more attuned to our desires and their underlying motivations, we develop a heightened sense of self-awareness. We begin to understand the patterns and conditioning that shape our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. This awareness is essential for spiritual growth because it allows us to make conscious choices that align with our values and aspirations. Become a member of our community at www.freespirit.community and dive deeper with us.